I want to show you how I made this slit, cover slit and pleated slit. First of all, I got my pepper pattern or pattern paper with my pattern the skirt and I placed it on it, and you're going to mark 10 inches from here, from the skirt to the end of the material you're adding to the back, and you're going to measure 1 inch for the zip allowance and you roll it like this. And after that, you're going to cut it out with your scissors like this. As you're cutting, you have to make sure you cut it properly to avoid the story that touches the heart. Remember, this is the back pattern we are cutting. It's different from the front pattern, and you're going to place the front pattern to cut the back pattern. So I'm done cutting it. I'm going to remove the pins from it. What we're actually using is the back pattern to show the slit, the cover slit and pleated slit at the back. So this is the back pattern, and I'm going to use only this place now that protruded out of the paper. I'm going to sew down here 1 inch. If you're using lining, it's going to be 1.5 inch, and then I'm going to place it like this and also make sure that the pleat is being pleated like this, and the sewing allowance also is being opened. This is the way I opened it very well, and that's what you're going to do on your fabric too if you're using it on fabric. Then after that, this is the result of what I got. This is a sewing allowance for the zip. I sewed like 1 inch. You can also sew 1.5 inch, and this is the pleat inside the belt. We want to achieve the pleated part inside that slit. So the pleated part, how we're going to achieve it is to hold back the pleat we have done before, and we are going to hold it by the side as you see me do now, and I'll pleat it down like this. You need to be careful so that you'll be able to get it at once. It's not really easy, but as you do it 1, 2, 3 times, you will get used to it. After doing one side of it, I'm going to also do the other side of the fabric or your pattern paper. You see the pleat is already done, and I'm going to sew down like this on it. Remember, we are dealing with the back pattern of the skirt, and I've sewn it down. I'm going to turn it for you to see. You see the pleat is now inside that slit. This is actually what we want to achieve from here. So the next thing, I'm going to place the front pattern of the skirt on top of the back pattern like this, and I'm going to sew it down by the side and the other side as well. And then I'm trying to place it properly, and as I go to my sewing machine, I sewed it down, and this is the outcome of the skirt. It's actually the same thing if you're doing it on a fabric. And can you see the pleat? So beautiful. Can you see the pleat? Is so wonderful. Now we're going to add the band. I came down 1/2 inch at the middle of the waist like this, and I drew the line to the side of the waist, and I used my scissors to trim it out like this, and I placed the same waist, and I was able to cut out the band. And now I placed the band and I used my scissors as well to trim it out to fit into the skirt. So after that, you see our skirt is complete. This is perfect skirt pattern, the front and the back. Let me say it's a straight skirt, with a covered slit with pleat inside it. Are you here for the first time? Please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to see my video whenever it drops, and share this video, comment as well, and follow us if you have not been following us, and I'll see you in my next video.